Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share one video on vidIQ features. So recently I have got a vidIQ Boost version. Boost means there are three versions of vidIQ. vidIQ for free, vidIQ Pro version, and vidIQ Boost version. So when you use vidIQ Boost, you will be getting all the features of vidIQ Pro, right? So here you can see all the features when it comes to daily ideas. So you can get 50 daily ideas when you use vidIQ Boost. So you can see all daily ideas right here, based on my channel. Okay, but I don't cover it because I don't make videos on these, like on this parrot and all these topics on this channel. For this I have a separate channel. So what I can do is I can get the topic from here and I can make video on my another channel. Maybe it won't be that much effective because they have given me these topics based on my audience, right? So like if I talk about this, get a job with this resume and cover letter and this hack, so I can cover this topic because I used to make videos based on say like educational field, LinkedIn profile building, and then resume, a guitar tutorial, and then say graphic designing, digital marketing, writing, and social media marketing, SEO, like everything based on online marketing services, then writing, then graphic designing, everything. So I can cover all topics based on it. So you can just see we can get around 50 daily ideas from this like vidIQ app. Okay, other than this you can see this AI generator content. So when we use this, so you can see, just if I write something like, okay, top 25 tools for this. Okay, let's talk about lead generation. Lead generation for online, marketing agency. Okay, let's go with this. Here you can see this title. Okay, and you can see they have prepared the video script. Are you looking to boost your online marketing agency lead generation efforts and everything? So you can also see keywords, and here you can see thumbnail, background, and also we will be getting one voiceover. You can hear this voiceover also. So we can also click on get more video ideas, so we can again go for the same and we can look into it. Then AI generator, then let's look for keywords. If I look for any keyword, suppose if I talk about, if I'm going to make any video on maybe LinkedIn profile building. Okay, so based on this keyword also we can get to know whether we need to touch this topic or not. See, make sure that whatever topic you are going to cover, competition should be medium to low, while say volume or traffic should be medium, or say इट शुड बी मीडियम टू हाई. लाइक अगर मैं ऐसे बोलूँ कि कम से कम लाखों से लेके मिलियंस लोग उस टॉपिक को सर्च कर रहे होंगे और उस टॉपिक पे वीडियोस कम बढ़ रहे होंगे, तब आपको जाके उस टॉपिक को कवर करना है. सो वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द से रेशो बिटवीन द ट्रैफिक एंड योर competition, or the competition based on a particular topic. And we can get to know about this from vidIQ app very easily. You can see everything from right here. And also top trending topic for LinkedIn profile building, you can see these topics here. Okay, you can see this topic. Okay, other than this we can also get to know about subscriber details, and once I'll click here I can get to know subscribers names and all details. We can also get to know we will be getting one AI coach. If I write something here like based on my channel, what video ideas do you have for me? Let's go for this. Okay, looking for YouTube channel data. You can see this everything that I cover. They are already also sharing some good topics, description, thumbnail, length, target audience, everything very nicely. I can stop generating this at any point of time, but I want, if I want to keep on, like keep them to do the same for longer period, so I'll just let them do it. And once they have done it, I'll simply just copy it, because I'm not going to cover all topic at the moment. So what I'll do, I'll just copy it and I'll go to Google document, and I'll just go here and I'll paste it. Okay, I'll just go here and I'll just paste it. Okay, and later I can use it. So now they are showing like all sort of plans. Right now I'm using their boost version. Let's go to our dashboard and see what other things are right here. Okay, so you can see here subscribers overview, time zone, and we can also get to know, say, the right time when we should post and everything. Like there are a lot of, and this, if I talk about this progress chart, so it is truly good. I don't want to get into everything, but I just want to tell you that daily ideas are good. AI generator thing is very good. You just need to put the title and then we can get to know everything. Keywords is very good. We can get to know what kind of keyword we can cover. And subscriber list, it's good. Like we can get to know within 1 month or maybe 14 days how many subscribers we have touched. AI coach will be very much helpful tool for us. And yeah, you can see other things also. If I talk about, like, when you'll click here, so one thing also, when we click on this boost version, so it will be like there will be 2 to 3 options. So you want to use this boost version for just one channel, for 3 channels, or maybe for 5 channels. So per channel, if I'm doing it for one channel, so it will be like one something 50 or some cost. For 3 channel it would be around 3000 something, and for 5 channel it would be separate charges. So I have already taken it for one channel, that is for my channel. Now they are asking me to do it for 3 channels, and if I'll take it for 3 channels, they'll ask me to do it for 5 channels. So don't get into this trap. So just make sure that for whatever channel or for whatever number of channels you wanted to, just go for it. And even I would suggest you to explore it for free. Once you understand the features of it, then only you can like look for, say, the other versions of it. So yeah, just wanted to share about these things. And once I'll start getting good results on any of my videos, I'll just share it. I'll share it with you. Also, I'll also tell you that how you can use it and how well you can implement it in all way possible. See, in the form of keywords, in the form of description, in your title, and like everything. So just stay tuned. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. And by tomorrow I'll post another guitar tutorial. That will be my third video on guitar. So just stay tuned and take care. Bye bye.